interesting topic. Yes, today's topic we are going to be discussing how you can make attraction perfume all by yourself using natural ingredients. This attraction perfume is what is going to attract customers into your shop. You are going to sell massively. When I mean attraction perfume, I do not just mean ordinary perfume, spiritual perfume that will attract customers, that will make customers to begin to troop in your shop to purchase whatever good thing that you are selling. If you are here watching me, you are a businessman or a businesswoman. Market is too slow, it's too dull. You have done this, you have done that, and none of these things has worked for you. I want you to give this particular recipe a try. All right, give it a try. You will never remain the same. You will never keep on crying again that markets are slow, people are not patronizing you. This recipe works wonders. I mean wonders. It works wonders. What are the ingredients? Number one ingredient in my list today is going to be my number one, that is the base. This perfume, it is called Miracle Perfume. This perfume has health benefit as well. I will tell you on this video the health benefit of this perfume. It is a secret that I just discovered by myself. All right, you can use this perfume to cure chest pain. I will tell you how we can do that using this perfume. But if you are getting this Miracle Perfume, get original one. There is a lot of fake in the market today. Get original one. You can as well get it from us. So this is Miracle Perfume. See, I have been using this perfume. Look at the way it is. So I use this perfume a lot. So this the level it is, the one I just brought out to be using personally. So look at it. It is Miracle Perfume, original one. Then get me this seed. This seed, it is called Star Anise. A lot of you know about this seed. It is called Star Anise. Look at it, Star Anise. So this is how it is. Very powerful and it smells good. I like the fragrance as well. It's natural. Then get me sea salt. This is your sea salt, original sea salt. What will you do? You are to get 9 pieces of this Star Anise. If you are a man, get 9 pieces. If you're a woman, get 7 pieces. Now grind this Star Anise very well. Grind it into a powder form. Now if you are a man, get this sea salt, like 9 pieces of sea salt. Can like 9 pieces. If you are a woman, can 7 sea salt, 7 pieces of sea salt. Grind it together with this Star Anise. After grinding it together, open this perfume, open it like this, and then pour the mixture in here, and then read Psalm 1 on this, from 1 to the end. Read Psalm 1 on this mixture, and then decree a word. Now look at how you are going to use it. In the morning, before you go to that shop, put this on your hand like this, jam your hands together like this, and then do what? You rub it on your hair, let it touch your forehead, then you rub it like this. Rub it like this. All right, you rub it like this, and then carry this perfume when you go to your shop. Sweep your shop very well, mop your shop, and then use this perfume that you have already mixed. Sprinkle it in all your goods. Sprinkle it in all your shop. Let it be smelling there, guys. The kind of sale you are going to attract. If you are a contract person, maybe you are into contract, your job is contractor, you are a contractor, you are a property consultant, you are whatever thing that you are doing, but you have where you stay, get this mixture, guys. You will see how people begin to call you for business. Not only calling you, they will patronize you. They must buy. That is the power of mixing these 3 ingredients in this Miracle Perfume. This Miracle Perfume on its own is powerful. Spiritually, it is powerful. Now the second recipe of this perfume, if you're having any kind of chest pain, be it spiritual chest pain, physical chest pain, you have gone to the hospital, they keep on telling you that nothing is wrong with you, and even if they they finalize or they diagnose something in your chest, get this perfume, original one. When you get it, pour a little inside your glass cup, not much, just a little inside a glass cup, and then add your rainwater. Add rainwater in that cup. Use this your hand to turn the mixture of this perfume, and then decree a word. Drink the mixture, guys. Let me tell you, and from the moment this mixture enters into your mouth, that is how whatever thing that has been causing chest pain, anything related to chest issue, will just vanish. This is just a secret recipe I'm just giving you for free. It will just vanish. All right, guys, please, after watching this video, like this video for me, share it, and also leave your comment on the comment section. We also have a lot of recipe on my WhatsApp channel that WhatsApp just created. And how will you join? A lot of people think that joining WhatsApp channel is expensive, or you're gonna spend. No, you will not spend. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is to join me on my WhatsApp channel for more spiritual teaching and new recipe. Is just to click any link that I'm going to drop at my comment section. I'm going to drop the link of my online store where you can purchase all these items I just used in making video. And also I am going to drop the link of my WhatsApp channel. So, but before I go, I have a spiritual perfume for single that want to mingle. This perfume, when you smell it, when you wear it, men, big boys will follow you. They will go crazy for you. They will go gaga for you. Not only that, they are going to spend on you. All right. And this one here is for those that has chronic ulcer. If you know that you have chronic ulcer, if you know you have a chronic ulcer, any type of ulcer you have, if you know that you have a chronic, guys, I feel like crying because anytime I'm making this video, this should just be making me to be looking like a unprofessional content creator. Sorry. I hope you understand. Please don't be offended, please. This is for chronic ulcer, guys. If you have any type of ulcer, get this. And this is for those who has some kind of mental imbalance, mental problem, small soko for head. But this will cure it by the special grace of God. Guys, that is just the end of this video for today. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely afternoon. Bye.